Hey guys, it's Jameson. We're going to be working on the tractor today. I'll start it up for you guys in a little bit. Finish taking the governor out. Obviously straight pipe, no pipe at all. But going to be making that in a future video. But what we're going to be doing is removing some of the excess parts we don't need. Like this guy, probably this here. This is just a adjuster that used to go on the transmission, which is right over here. It went right here to switch it from drive to neutral. And then, yeah, let's get to it. Just got a impact with a 1/2-inch socket. So I'll just carry you guys with me so that you can get a good view. So we're gonna get that one and that one out first, and that should drop the whole assembly out. If it's not 1/2 inch on this type of thing, it's always 3/8. So, but normally it's all just 1/2 inch. And so you only have to have one socket. We're gonna need to grab an extension for that one. We cannot reach that without it. Okay, right up in there. Okay, there it is. There's our bolts, and then our piece is just there. Now we have one of our parts removed, a couple bolts, put them in the bin. Now let's see what we've got next. We're trying to keep anything unnecessary off of here, but we don't want to mess with the parts we want. So I think we can take off this guy, which is a cut height thing for lawnmower blades, or what used to be of them. So let's see. That guy's 3/8, just like I said before. You only need 1/2 inch, or you only need a couple sockets for this type of thing, because most everything is just the exact same. There we go. If you're ever going to put this back together, just make sure you watch what order your parts come out in. Make sure you're not forgetting anything. But this guy isn't going to change for a while. Do it on the other side. There it is. Make sure everything is in the place it's supposed to be. pull off those guys we don't need. There we go. Okay. So, let's just slide this guy off. There we go. And we have another connection over here to the actual lever. I'll show you that. So, this is what we're messing with now. We just took this bolt out. So, we're gonna undo this guy, and then we'll be in business. That one's half inch, obviously. Yeah. Which number is it, or letter? Okay, I'll check on it. Okay. We've got a spinning bolt on the other side. Just so you guys make sure you're good. I'll need to grab some pliers or something for that. Grab the other end. Just make sure everything is all good. Okay. Try out here. Feel for it. I think we'll have to take a different approach here. Got some wires and the belt in the way, but that's fine. We'll get it eventually. Actually, we can throw some vice grips on it, so I have to not worry about it anymore. And we'll come at it from this side. There we go. Loosen a hair. Should be good. Nope. Not quite yet. But we're getting there. Probably should have done it from the other side. We can tighten these up. Get our impact on this side. Get that belt out of the way. And that guy's 3/8 on this end. Kind of stupid, but whatever. Okay. There we go. Yep, and that was it. That is the entire assembly. Just got a bolt with the little space bit, big ass washer. Okay. Oh shit. So, now we got this whole thing. Hopefully we can pull it out. There's the spring and this lever in place, but we'll just pop that guy off. There we go. Now we'll just work this guy out of there. Okay. Now I think we'll pull this pin out and just take the other part. Then we'll work to get the lever out. It's kind of tough to do this with one hand, but whatever it takes to show you guys what we're doing. There we go. Push that down. There we go. There's our adjustment piece. And not sure how this guy's gonna want to come out, but we'll just pull this piece of square tubing off. The spring will cooperate. Shouldn't be this hard. These springs are just... There we go. Got the square tubing off. Now these two. Then this guy. There we go. Now we have this piece, our adjustment, and our neutral reverse. Not neutral reverse. It's hydrostatic, so it does that on its own. But it's neutral and in gear lever thing. So we might try and also pull out this guy, which is a kill switch that stops the mower from running when the seat bounces, or when somebody's not sitting on it, which I don't enjoy because it's just not a great design if you're planning on going fast, because you'll be bouncing around a lot. But we'll take this bolt out. It'll work out. Let's get ourselves a hammer. Whoa. Let's get ourselves a hammer. These are the back tires from it. These are from a snowblower. But we'll just... Not a great decision, but you know, I don't feel like getting it out the right way. Whatever that is. There we go. Stupid bolt. Then I think we have one more on the other side. But it should be easier. Actually, you know what? We don't have one on this side, but we have some unnecessary pieces from the clutch. Not sure if you... Actually, we should probably leave those in. This guy, these two can come out. Those are just unnecessary brackets. Got a big spring in here that isn't connected to anything. Right. Here it is. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This guy. There we go. Now, just check to make sure that our clutch is still working good. Looks good. Then you have movement. That pulley over there. And then those pulleys should be moving too. Yep, there we go. Looks good. This is going to be the end of this video. Not doing a whole lot of, not doing any editing. But actually, let's let you guys hear it. Go get the keys, and I'll fire this beast up. I'll show you just how awesome it is to have it ungoverned. I'll show you guys right over here so you can see our engine. There we go. That should work. And I'll go grab the keys and be right back. Okay, so about the weight, but we'll throw our key in there. That guy's back. We'll put our safety brick on that guy so nothing stupid happens. And let's take a seat. There we go. Haven't started it in a couple days, so might not go first try, but let's see. Not yet. Well, it's gonna be tough with one hand. That's this to our steering wheel. There we go. I'll take you guys off once we get it started. Go.